So our last topic for graphing linear equation in two variable is given a slope and a point. So this is similar to given a slope-intercept form. So ang pinagkaiba lang nito, pag sinabi nating point, meron ng value si x. Sa slope-intercept form, ang x natin ay laging, very good, si x ay laging 0. So this time, pag sinabi natin slope and a point, yung abscissa natin may value na. Okay, so example, I have here. So the given slope is positive 2 and the given point is negative 3 comma negative 2. Okay, step 1. So to graph the given linear equation in two variables given a slope and a point, step 1, you need to plot first the given point. Okay, so our given is negative 3 comma negative 2. If the abscissa is negative, the direction is going to the left. Okay, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then what is the ordering? Negative 2, up, down. Down. So we have 1, 2. Therefore, this is the location of the first point. Now, how to identify the location of the second point? By using the slope. What is the slope? 2. What is the denominator?
1.
Imaginary 1. So from here, dito ka na mag-start sa first point. 2. Where's the direction? If price is positive, the direction is upward. Very good. 2 times. 1, 2. And then what is run?
1.
1. Oh, the direction is going to the right. Okay, 1. So therefore, this is the graph. Question. Another example. Okay, so our slope is, so we have 3 over 5 and the given point is 2 comma negative 1. Or anyone who wants to plot the given point? Sige, dito. So first you need to plot 2 comma negative 1. So start at the origin. So positive 2, where's the direction? Right. Negative 1?
Down.
Bound? Bound or down? Bound. Oh, sige, identify the exact location. Then, start ka na dyan. Dito na tayo mag-start sa given point. Our slope is, the rise is positive 3. Where's the direction? Upward. O, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then, what is run? Positive 5. Going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nadali mo. Okay, then after that, last step, connect it using a straight line. Straight, ha? Ayan nyo na. Nalaglag daw sa puno na kero. Okay, therefore, this is the graph of the given slope and a point. O, another example, last one. Okay, so our slope is negative 4 and the given point is we have negative 5 comma 3. Anyone who wants to plot? Sige, pariabras. So first, you need to plot the given point. So the given point is what? Negative 5 comma 3. 3, anak. 3. Yan. Then after that, start ka na dyan. So next is, find the second point using the slope. What is the slope? Negative 4. Up, down. Down. 4. And then, what is the denominator? 1. 1. Right, left. Okay. Then after that, connect the 2 points. Okay. So, therefore, the second point is what? Let us identify the location of the second point. Set yung second point natin. What is the ordered pair of the second point? Anyone? Sige, mas bang? Negative 4, comma? Negative 1.